In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add borders in Word. Whether you're looking to enhance a document, draw attention to a particular section, or simply add a decorative touch, borders can make a significant difference. By the end of this guide, you will know exactly how to apply them efficiently, giving your Word documents a polished and professional look. Let's start by opening your Word document. If you haven't already done so, launch Microsoft Word and open the document you wish to add a border to. Now, direct your attention to the top of your Word window, where you'll see a series of tabs with different options. You're going to want to find and click on the one labeled Layout. This tab is home to a host of tools that help you manipulate the structure and design of your document. Once you're on the Layout tab, look towards the far right side of the toolbar. Here you will discover the Page Background section. Within this section lies the key to adding your border, the Page Borders button. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up the Borders and Shading dialog box, and this will be your canvas to customize the style, color, and width of the border to your liking. In the Borders and Shading dialog box, you have several choices. The type of border you select is up to you, depending on the look you aim to achieve. You'll see options for a box, which frames the entire page or section uniformly, or perhaps you might prefer a shadow border, which adds a subtle three-dimensional effect. There's also the 3D option, which gives an embossed look, or the custom setting if you want even more control. Try clicking on each one to explore the preview and see how it affects your document. Next, focus on customizing the style of the border. You can choose from solid lines, dashed or dotted patterns, and even more decorative options. Simply scroll down the Style menu, clicking on each one to watch the preview change dynamically. Adjust the color by clicking on the paint bucket icon, revealing a palette of hues for you to choose the perfect shade that complements your document's theme. Additionally, the Width menu allows you to define the thickness of your border. A thicker line can be bold and striking, while a thinner one may offer a more subtle elegance. Once you're satisfied with your selection, apply the border by clicking OK. You'll immediately see your chosen border applied to your document. If at any point you wish to adjust it, simply return to the Page Borders button and make your changes. Remember,